Both 2 timeouts, huh? Last quarter. 16 seconds to shoot. To number 14. Number 14 to number 23 with a pull up. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Sagasa si number 0. No good yan. Number 0 to 23. No good. Rebound by number 6 to number 11. For 3, basket! 64, ang PNB. 16 seconds remaining. Hindi talaga papahuli ng buhay PNB. No! For 3, no good. Rebound number 0. Sabi, double-double na yung number 0, guys. Grabe, Espinosa! Seal by number 6. Team captain, Sagasa! Una basket yan! Aray ko! 52. 20 seconds remaining shot clock. Shout out kay Kuya Ryan. Block by number 6. Eto na, rhythm. Ay! No! No! Buwasok yun! Bang, bang! 18 seconds, shot clock. Tika for 3, catch. No good, rebound by Pares. Pares, rebound by number 6. Grabe yung puso talaga ng PNG, guys. Number 6. Wala. 20 seconds, remaining shot clock. Number 10, 3, no good. Wow, who's foul right? Personal foul. Rebound number 6. Saksa. Fred. Good. Number 6. Seconds, shot clock remaining. 3. 16 seconds, shot clock remaining. Number 6, 5 seconds, shot clock. 3. Good. 1 in. To that. Shot clock remaining. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 16 seconds to shoot. For 3. No good. Rebound. By number 4. Finish. 16 seconds. To Pika. For 3. Pika kumara yung kalamangan. Pika. Dalawa na lang. Hindi papahuli din yung hindi papahuli yung season 1 champs. Stepping on the line. 74, 72 in favor of PNP. Pass to number 1. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 22. Basket. All 74. 10 seconds. To number 0. Number 0 to number 6 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Basket. Number 27 to number 10 to number 27 for 3. Basket. Namang na naman. 76. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Naghahanap ng papasahan si number 10. Oh, number 1. 10 seconds. Remaining shot clock. Sumalaksak. Basket. Brendan Camacho. 10 seconds. Remaining shot clock. Number 0. Foul. Hi, Bubbles.
Ang layo ng kaway mo, nandito kami.
2 points. 16-second shot clock. Number 27. Tirang pogi na naman yun, mga kaibigan. And he knows what to do. Zero by number 1. Basket yun. 84-78 in favor of the defending champs. Steal by number 10. Number 27 with an 18-second shot clock remaining for 3. Kanina ka pa. Oh good. Number 22 to number 10. 10 seconds remaining shot clock. 5 seconds. Basket at no good. Rebound by number 6 was foul, ref. All right. No good. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Basket hit by number 0. Score 80-84 in favor of the Mustangs. Pass. Alright, back to the ball game. Inbound. Pass to number 0. Number 0 with 10 seconds remaining shot clock. For 3. No good. Who's foul, ref? Naku po. Grabe ang puso nito. Second attempt. Yeah, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds remaining. Wow.